Good morning, guys. Happy Resurrection Day, happy Easter, happy Christ is Risen Day, whichever you celebrate. This Easter is not like any of our other Easters because I'm gonna be watching church online. That is so weird. Like usually Easter Sunday I buy a new dress, get a whole new outfit. It's not about the clothes, but I'm saying this is what I do. Like I'll get a whole new outfit for Easter and I'll go to church and just congregate with people, with my friends, and we just worship together and celebrate together. And now we're not. It's so weird. Anyways, so I figured before I start watching service online, I'm just going to do a get ready with me as I get ready for Easter Sunday to watch online. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. I think I actually want to create a second look from the Too Faced Lust palette that I did the other day. So I'm gonna do actually this first look here called Natural Wonder. Sorry, my lighting isn't the best because I'm literally sitting on my dresser in my room. I'm staying at my parents right now, and so I have this huge dresser sitting on top of it, and I have you guys propped up my little tray thing where I have my makeup, and I have this huge can to put my mirror on top so I can actually see what I'm doing as I'm recording. So this is not the most efficient way to do a video, but it's what it is. And I just have like these random lights. It's not like my normal like ring light or anything like that, so that's kind of weird. Anyways, I'm gonna do this Natural Wonder. I just think it's just so pretty and classy. So I'm just gonna start with the eyes first because I know last night, if you guys watched my tutorial, you'll see that I had a lot of fallout. Although I was working with darker shades in my normal routine, I do my eye makeup first anyways. But yeah, so I'll use this Natural Lust palette. And if you saw my last video, these are what the colors look like. They're so freaking pretty. Hopefully you guys don't shake when I open these drawers. So I've already put lotion on my face to moisturize, and I'm going to use my eye primer. I totally forgot the other day when I was painting my nails to actually paint my nails like an Easter color. Although I only have a few colors here with me, but I think depending on how much time I have left after I film this, I'm gonna try and do my nails. I did them the other day, but then I also messed them up. I usually take a skin tone shadow just to set the primer so we can get to work. Sorry if you do hear snoring. If you hear that, my bad. If you don't, good. But I can't tell at this point if you can hear snoring, but if you do, it's my neighbor next door, aka my brother. Okay, so step number 1 says blend Buff It Out from lash to brow. It's almost like a skin tone color, so it's kind of like what I just did with my other shadow, but we're just gonna go with it anyways since that's what is in the little tutorial guide. Step 2 says sweep Embrace Me into the crease, blend upward, then smoke it into the lower lash line. If you want to see like a close-up of all of these shadows and like the names and stuff, I will link my first tutorial. I think it's on this side. I'll link it so you guys can go ahead and click that and watch that. In that first tutorial tells you all the names and the close-up because the names are kind of cray-cray. It's going to be that shadow right there. So we're going to go in the crease. Okay, I'm not going to do the lower lash line until after I put foundation on. Okay, step 3. There's only 5 steps. Step 3 is press Love Spark onto your lid. So Love Spark, ooh, I don't know about this color because literally I went to pick it up. Do you see anything on my brush? I see like nothing. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay, so that is not the easiest shade to work with. I'll zoom you guys in so you can see. I don't like shadows like these where it like clumps up or it won't pick up with a brush. That I find that really annoying. And I'm getting a lot of fallout. Okay, I think that's the best I'm gonna do with this. And my leg is literally asleep, guys, asleep. Then we're gonna use blindfolded to create a winged liner, and then you're gonna highlight the inner corners with all tied up. I'm gonna use that to pop in the inner corner. Let's see if I can create the wing with blindfolded. so the only part that we left out was putting it under our lower lid. I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of the face, but I'm gonna use this Hello Happy, which is I think kind of appropriate because it's Easter, like Hello Happy. I'm trying to think of Hello Hoppy. I don't know. Don't mind me. Anyways. Then put some on my little brush. Oh. Then I'm just gonna take my big kabuki. Sorry, I keep looking up. I'm using my my vlogging camera to actually film this because, like I said, I don't have a normal setup. This powder that I used to use, this NYX powder. It is the Mineral Set It Don't Fret It matte finishing powder, but I ran out, so I actually had this Becca powder, and basically I just put it in here. It was like a cooling powder where it was like when you touch it, it was really cool when you press it on. Like the special container it was in is supposed to keep the powder cool, but it didn't actually stay for very long. It didn't even last like I think like a month and a half, and so I found like it was an expensive powder. I felt like it was a waste that it was supposed to be this cooling powder that didn't even stay cool for like that long. I decided I will not be buying that powder again. I do want to try a new like drugstore powder because I need to find one. I really love the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but that one is like almost 40 bucks, like 35-ish. So I'm running low on that one, so I want to get something that is drugstore. This one is so fine, like goes up in your nose, and that's really like really good but also cost effective. So that's my next goal. Now let's do our brows. Okay, so brows are done. I'm going to do bronzer. I'm using this NYX bronzer that's kind of broken. It's the matte bronzer. This is in the color medium. I think I maybe should have done number 2. This is number 3 medium, because I feel like it's a little bit of a muddier bronzer, but we'll make it work. It looks like I haven't used much of it because I have, this is in my makeup stash that's here at my parents' house. This one stays here because it wasn't something that I use all the time, so I just left it here for when I'm here. But this time, since we're in quarantine, I did bring like my normal makeup just because I felt like I was going to be here for a while, but I don't know. I'm kind of missing my house, so I'm considering going back. Yesterday was my second official weekend in quarantine. I know a lot of people have been doing this for like weeks now, but I didn't start working from home until like the very end of March, like that last week of March. So this is like my second official weekend, and yesterday I literally did nothing. Like I slept in and then I woke up and watched TV all freaking day. Like I literally woke up and I watched the Avengers. No, Captain America was on, I watched that. Then the Avengers came on, so I watched that. And then there's this show that I love called When Calls the Heart. It's on Hallmark, and I was watching that, like a million episodes of those. Okay, my camera's gonna die, so I need to hurry up. I'm gonna do blush. I'm gonna do this one here from MAC. It's in Petal Power. Super pretty. Okay, let me finish up the eyes. The step that we were missing was to put Embrace Me along the lower lash line, which is the first shade that we used for the crease. And then the color All Tied Up was supposed to go in the inner crease, which I did that, but it seems to have disappeared. So we're just gonna do it again. Sound like the family's up. Alrighty, so let's do some mascara. Okay, so my battery did die. I was just literally applying mascara, and that's what I just got done doing. That's pretty much it for this look. I just need to add some lips. I just feel like the inner corner color is not doing its thing. That is the best that I can do. Let's zoom in. Here is the eye look. This is the original eye makeup. Of course, they have lashes. I don't have falsies on, so that's one of the difference. But I did do everything the same, except the lid shade actually like kind of went up into my crease. I do like it. I like the little shimmer in it. Maybe I should have had you guys this close so you could see better as I was filming. I'll know for next time, because they're probably going to be doing more looks like sitting right here. I think my lighting isn't too bad, right? I have this little sample kit from Kat Von D that I've had it here for a little while. I might use the color Lolita, which is a very popular color, and it's the middle. It's that middle shade right there. Or should we do red? Should we do red? Just because it's Easter, I never wear red. That shade is called Outlaw. Let's try it. Almost forgot, we need a little bit of lip liner to help all this stay. What do you guys think? It's not like a super harsh red. Does it work with this look? I guess so. I'm just gonna add in a little bit of Lolita. I think that works. I like that combo. It's Lolita and Outlaw. So that is it for this makeup look. I do hope you enjoyed it and we got to chat a little bit, like a little get ready with me. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying sane. I know it can be difficult during this time, but just stay positive. Look for, you know, things to read that's encouraging. If you are religious, you know, there's plenty of online services that you can watch. Do like a daily devotional, like anything that will inspire you and, you know, kind of help you stay positive. And if you're working, you know, just continue doing your best. Don't slack off because now you're at home and you can just get up and walk around. Like, you know, still be respectful of company time and just, you know, prove that you are a good worker and you're a hard worker and that you're reliable, because those are things that your bosses and your company will see. People who, I mean, if you're gonna slack off, they're gonna know, they're gonna notice, you know, like, so just pretend that you're still in the office, you're still working. So that's kind of like what I'm sticking to. And for me, like, I've just stayed so busy, like I literally go to the bathroom once I get off. I get up out of my chair less. Like working from home, I feel like when I'm at work, I actually like get away from my desk more than I do now. So, you know, it's definitely an adjustment for us, for everybody, you know, like we're all going through this together. So continue to stay positive, and until next time, I will see you guys later. And don't forget, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you as part of my family, my YouTube family. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.